You've already Googled it more than once, and the more you search, the more confusing it gets. One company says you can get it done in one day, another says you need a full renovation. So which one is actually right for your bathroom? Hi, I'm Will Culleton from Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers. And today, I'll break down the real difference between a one-day remodel and a full renovation so you can make the right decision for your home. Let's start with what a one-day bath and shower remodel actually is, because there's a lot of misunderstanding around it. A one-day remodel focuses only on the wet area, so your tub and shower walls. Instead of tearing everything out, we install a new wall system over what's already there, as long as the structure behind is still in good condition. That means minimal demolition, less mess, and yes, often done in one day. But most companies won't emphasize is that it's really a surface level upgrade. You're improving the look, reducing maintenance, and modernizing the space, but you're not opening the walls or fixing anything behind them. Now compare that to a full bathroom renovation. This is a complete reset. We're removing fixtures, rebuilding the wet area, updating flooring, vanity, lighting, sometimes even adjusting plumbing or layout. It takes more time and more investment, but it allows you to fix deeper issues, improve functionality, and completely transform the space. So the real difference isn't just time, but more of scope. One is a targeted upgrade, while the other is a full rebuild. And that's where most homeowners get stuck, because both sound good, just in different ways. So how do you actually decide? It really comes down to three things: condition, goals, and budget. If your tub is still solid, your layout works, and your biggest frustration is outdated walls or hard to clean grout, a one-day remodel can be a smart and efficient solution. But if you're dealing with moisture issues, aging plumbing, or a bathroom that just doesn't function well anymore, this is where a full renovation makes more sense. Because covering up a deeper problem doesn't fix it, it just delays it. And this is exactly why at Bytown, we start with an assessment, not a product. We look at your wet area, check for moisture and ventilation issues, evaluate your fixtures, and see if your current layout still works for your day-to-day life. If a one-day remodel is the right fit, we'll tell you. And if it's not, we'll be just as upfront about that. Because the goal isn't to sell you the faster option, but to recommend the right one. So whether you're leaning towards a quick upgrade or a full transformation, the key is knowing why you're choosing it. If you're curious what your own project might look like, try our online estimator. It's a good place to start. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.